Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Marvelman here, coming at you guys with the game pickups. I went to a bunch of thrift shops with my friend. Well, only really two, but I found some really good stuff. So I thought I would show you guys that. Me and my friend are definitely going to be going to a lot of more thrift shops, garage sales, so I'll be having a lot more gaming video stuff. Sorry about how this video looks and stuff. I have a bunch of school stuff back there, but I wanted to get this up by tonight, so let's get into it. So one of the things I got was this, I believe it's for the PlayStation 2. It is a Pelican like steering wheel, and it was $4. But the reason I really got it is because it was half off, because everything at the thrift shop was half off. So I decided why not, you know. And it looked like it was in decent condition. And then, oh come on. Alright. Got all there. And then let me go through these real quick. So first thing, I was just looking through a bunch of like this whole thing of CDs, and I came across this, which I used to play as a kid, so that's why I picked it up, and it was in pretty decent condition. So it's Backyard Basketball. I'm so glad I got this half off. I couldn't resist that for a game that I used to play all the time. I mean, come on. And then I got a complete copy of Sims 2 University expansion pack. I do have the Sims 2, like just the normal game, so I will be loading this on. So it's very cool. So yeah, it's got all this stuff. It has the code in the back and all that good stuff. So very excited for that. And that was only 75 cents and half off. And then this was also in a huge bin of stuff. I wasn't originally going to get this but for $1, it being complete, I mean, I didn't really want to pass it up, considering I don't really have a baseball game for my PlayStation 2, so I decided why not get it, you know. And then I got Max Payne 2, The Fall of Max Payne, for $4.50 at a different thrift shop. I decided to get this because it's Max Payne 2. You know, I really want to try this out. I heard it was a good game, so I'll give it a try. And then the find, well, I guess you consider it the two finds really of all of this, is what I pulled out. It was like in a glass cabinet, and I had the lady go and open it for me. I got Naruto Clash of Ninja, and I wasn't sure if it was $1 or $2.50, but I think it was $2.50. I think that was like a garage sale thing. But still, for $2.50, that's really awesome. And it was not complete. It's just disc only, but still, I could not pass it up for a GameCube game. Player's choice, by the way. And then I got Naruto, I don't know if I'm saying that right, because I've never really played any of these games, but Clash of Ninja 2, and that was $2. So, really great deal with those. So, yeah. I'm really happy with what I got. Got a lot of awesome games, and I hope you guys enjoyed this pickups video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.